Hello traders, welcome to our today's video. Jean here, and in today's video we will cover our London trading strategy and the trade we made today on the Euro US dollar based on our trading rules. So this is the screenshot from today's trade, and as you can see from this chart here on the 15-minute time frame here, you can see that here was our entry, our stop loss was above the structure, and we actually rided this trend, this reversal in the London trading session all the way to the downside to the Asian session lows. So this was the trade that was made in the London trading session right after open of it, with around 10 pips stop loss. We aimed for 2 times the risk, so in this case we close this trade with a little bit of more than 20 pips, and in this case of course we'll go over the charts later on, but the basic stuff here: price took the liquidity. As you can see, we had this manipulation phase, market dropped, broke some previous short-term lows, and on the way to the downside we had also this shift confirmed with bearish imbalance, the fair value gap, and as you can see, beautiful spike, beautiful rejection. So we entered it at the candle close, 10 pip stop loss, 2 times the risk. Our target was down there. We were seeking that Asian session lows, and this is one of the accounts. Nice trade for almost the end of the month of February 2026. Now let's jump to the charts. We'll go over the reasons why we were looking for that short trade in the London session on this particular pair. So this is the daily time frame. We'll start of course with the hard time frames first, because before you start looking your charts, before you do your morning analysis, of course when you prepare yourself for the day, for the trading day ahead, you have to understand what is the main structure, where are the liquidity levels and areas that you want to trade from, where are the zones. You have to always ask yourself what the charts is telling me, and based on the price action, then of course you have to prepare for possible scenarios in case of potential trading opportunities based on our trading plan rules. Now on the daily, what we already said during the weekly video, we said that this area is very important. As you can see, these previous lows were swept. Market found a bit of support here for the last couple of days, and then as you can see, this week on the 23rd of February, market actually formed this kind of a lower high here. Of course, this is just another confirmation that current trend here is still kind of a bearish, because just by following the price you can see that market is in this retracement phase, right? So as long as the market is in this retracement phase, then of course ideally we want to look for potential short trading opportunities. Now once you get your daily time frame correct, then of course you have to combine that with a 4-hour chart, right? So on the daily, nothing to add more. Yesterday we closed bearish, and in the London session we were looking for short move to the downside, and now in the New York we had this nice reversal to the upside. So let's jump to the 4-hour time frame, and this is our area where we were looking for short trade. This is the trade we covered here. And why we were looking for that leg down, for that down move? Simply because the daily was of course bearish, and as well on the 4-hourly we saw bearish footprints of the price action, right? So as you can see here, at the start of this week we had this move to the upside, and we said that in case this bearish imbalance will hold, we can start looking for possible long opportunities. But this didn't happen. What happened after was that this bullish imbalance turned into a bearish one, right? So we had price moving lower, closing below it, we had retracement, and market, as you can see, formed this swing high here. This is the liquidity level, right? And since then, of course, market was in this kind of a bearish tone, right? We had this swing high formed here, market created this lower high, and since then market was just pushing to the downside. So the structure was clearly bearish, right? And today what happened, as you can see, during the night we had nice run up to the upside, and market just followed one of the patterns that of course we are always aware of, and this is of course if the market is moving to the downside and we have some bearish imbalance, right? What we have to be careful of is, in case the market don't reach the imbalance up here right away, but it forms kind of a lower high, right? So what we are have to be aware of is, in case the market is seeking that liquidity, this 4-hourly imbalance, for example, there is a high chance. So this is the imbalance, right? So if the market is seeking that liquidity level, breaking the previous short-term high and moving towards that liquidity pool, is that in most cases you will see reaction and potential continuation down there, right? So this is exactly what we had up here, right? We had this swing high, market formed this lower high there, as you can see, and market then of course did that move towards that liquidity up here, and that's where we were focusing on potential short trades, right? So if I remove those lines, right, this is the imbalance that we were focusing on, right? So in this case, this was the swing high, right? And then we had this retracement back to this hard time frames imbalance. So that's the area where we wanted to look for potential short trades, right? So in this case, we had 4-hourly and daily both time frames to the downside, and for our entry we used of course the 15-minute time frame. So those who are in my live trading program, right, where we trade live markets together, of course you remember that yesterday we were looking for that pattern. As you can see, we had that Asian session range formed, and we were looking for that potential manipulation and then possible break of the structure and reversal to trade continuation, and this didn't happen, right? Market was just forming that lower high scale here, building that liquidity up, right? And of course during the night today we had nice, of course, range formed, and we had this nice manipulation to the upside to reach that hard time frames imbalance here, right? And then we had nice structure break, and our aim was of course to trade that move towards that Asian session lows and 4-hourly, 1-hourly sell side liquidity, the previous of course swing lows up here. Now let's zoom in a little bit to today's price action and why we were looking for that short move here. So as we said already before, of course this gray area of course is the 4-hourly imbalance, and we are always looking for of course the accumulation, manipulation, distribution. That means that if this Asian session range is our accumulation, then of course we are looking for that manipulation area for the market to reach that hard time frames imbalance, and we got nice beautiful setup here. As you can see, market was building that liquidity, forming those hard lows, and then we had nice move, nice manipulation. Market, as you can see, was not able to close above those previous highs. We had this spike, as you can see here, and then what happened? We had nice break of the structure. As you can see, the previous short-term low was broken. We had this bearish imbalance confirmation, right? So let me put it like this. So we had this bearish imbalance, we had lower low, and here we entered it on this candle as I showed before here. Why on that one and why not earlier? Because we were waiting for London to open, and on this candle close there was London open. So in this case we entered it on this candle, stop loss above the structure 10 pips in this case. Of course our entry is somewhere here, and the stop loss was about 10 pips, and then of course we aim for 2 times the stop loss. So in this case, beautiful 15-minute liquidity manipulation. As you can see, we have new high, market sweep the Asian session highs, forming that higher lows, and then we had nice manipulation week. Market was not able to close above those previous highs, and then we had nice reversal, bearish imbalance. Market broke the previous short-term structure lows, and of course nice entry to trade this distribution. So in this case we had accumulation, we had this manipulation, and then we had nice shift to the downside to trade this distribution, right? So in this case we were aiming, of course our target was a little bit higher, but our goal was to target that Asian session range and also the 4-hourly, 1-hourly lows down there. So if you go to the 4-hour, you can see a beautiful reaction from those lows, or if you go to the 1-hourly, beautiful reaction from those lows from yesterday. So beautifully nice trade, textbook example how to trade with the main structure trend direction, and then use this accumulation, manipulation, distribution to position yourself and to aim for that liquidity levels beneath it. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you'll learn something from this video, and of course wish you all the best for the rest of this week and the month. So take care, and we catch up soon.